You're watching Shoot Your Shot TV, and today we have the Nike Air Tech Challenge 2. These are the Nike Air Tech Challenge 2 Hot Lava, a unanimous crew favorite over here at Shoot Your Shot TV. In anticipation for the 2024 Reimagined pair that's about to come out, we wanted to go ahead and break these down for y'all to give you an idea of what to expect. This is C-Rock's dead stock pair from 2014, so let's go ahead and dive into the details of this iconic sneaker. Starting here at the tongue, it's made of this white shiny nylon material. It also houses the tongue tag that's also nylon. It has that Hot Lava Nike swoosh, as well as a Hot Lava border around the black and white. The opposite side of the tongue also features that Hot Lava color. They come with flat white laces, and they also have plastic rigid eyelets towards the bottom. Taking us to the toe box, you do have this synthetic leather with perforated holes. And as you get towards the tip of the toe, you have more synthetic leather overlays that also take you to the side of the shoe. Underneath that, you have a black synthetic leather underlay that has the iconic Hot Lava splatter print. Taking us to the quarter panel of the shoe, you have more of the synthetic leather overlays in black and white, but it also has that Hot Lava Nike swoosh that's connected to the plastic wings that double as eyelets as well. Underneath that, you have more of the iconic Hot Lava splatter print, and it comes with a gray sock lining. Taking us to the back of the shoe, right behind the ankle, you have this shiny black nylon, same material as the tongue, and underneath that on the heel cup, you have Nike Air in white embroidered. Taking us to the midsole, you have a two-tone midsole with both white and gray. The forefoot of the midsole has this lateral outrigger for sideways movement, and the heel houses the visible air unit. Taking us to the outsole, you have herringbone traction in that Hot Lava colorway, and you have more rigid traction in gray and more herringbone traction in the midfoot in black. You also have a bold Nike Futura font in Hot Lava. For those who might not know, the Air Tech Challenge 2 was designed by Tinker Hatfield, and they released in the spring of 1990. At the time, they were worn by tennis rebel, present-day tennis icon Andre Agassi as he climbed the ATP ranks. Additionally, Nike released bold gear to match, as well as commercials and magazine advertisements to promote their tennis stars sneakers. Over the years, we've seen a handful of retros and hybrids, and that Hot Lava print has made its way to other Nikes, such as the LeBron 16 and the Tech Court 20. Also, a little fun fact, the Air Tech Challenge 2 midsole was the base for the super hyped Nike Yeezy 2. The Air Tech Challenge 2 first retroed in 2008. The pair we just reviewed is from 2014. They retroed again in 2016 and 2019, but with gray eyelets instead of the traditional white. The 2014 pair has a more muted lava to it, and the 2008 pair was closer to the OGs as far as color. This is my first pair of Air Tech Challenge 2s from 2008. I had grabbed these in 2009 off Craigslist, got a really good deal. My good buddy Sweeta came with me all the way to San Jose from Frisco, and I picked these up from the guy, and they've been a favorite in my arsenal ever since. Unfortunately, as you can see, they're starting to deteriorate on me, but fortunately, my good friend Noel gifted me his pair from 2014 because they didn't fit him, so shout out to Noel. This pair right here, again, is C-Rock's pair from 2014. He picked these up for his birthday last year at a consignment shop for a steal. And I want to give a shout out to our bro, Fredo Algebra, who stays rocking these as well. Like I said, a unanimous crew favorite. The Air Tech Challenge 2 is such an iconic sneaker that many different people love it for different reasons. I do want to give a shout out to Sneaker Preservation Society, who stays posting classic shoes from the past and educating the sneaker community, as well as XX Retro Fire XX, who stays posting pictures of metal bands from the 80s and 90s wearing some of our favorite sneakers, like the Air Tech Challenge 2. The 2024 reimagined pair of Air Tech Challenge 2s will feature a shape closer to the originals, as well as an aged midsole to go with that vintage aesthetic. They will also come with a vintage Nike box similar to the one that came with the OGs. The 2024 reimagined pair of Air Tech Challenge 2s will be releasing on August 30th at a price point of $150 at select Nike retailers and boutiques. If you want to get them early, you can click our StockX affiliate link in the description below. Any purchase made using that link helps support the channel so we can keep these reviews coming for you. As far as comfort goes, the Air Tech Challenge 2 is one of the most comfortable retros that I've ever owned. Even though it is almost 35 years old, it still holds its weight amongst newer Nike releases. As far as sizing goes, I always go true to size. They fit great, but if you do have a wider foot, you might want to go a half size up. As far as style is concerned, this silhouette is classic. Like I said, we love it over here at Shoot Your Shot TV. You can pair this with a lot of different things, especially light wash denim, even acid wash denim, tech shorts, things of that nature. And I'm just really excited that Nike's bringing them back. It gives me hope that they will also retro classics like the Air Tech Challenge 3, another crew favorite over here at Shoot Your Shot TV with that U-Vol Volt, as well as the Air Tech Challenge 4. These were previously Europe-only exclusive back in 2016, so Nike definitely needs to retro these as well and make them available here in the States. And my only thing is I wish Nike would bring them back in the toddler preschool sizing as well, so kids in the younger generation can experience the same sneakers that we've grown to love. But how do you all feel about the Nike Air Tech Challenge 2? Are you looking forward to the 2024 reimagined pair? Are you grabbing a pair? Are you grabbing two? Are you grabbing three? Do you already own some? Let us know in the comments below. We love to hear from you all. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you can be notified every time we drop a new episode. But let's go ahead and see how these look on foot.
Spy music up the chart, God willing, from a squad to all villains on the Mata Godzilla. Chillin' nothing but SF, Giants heat, Nike fleece from 93, about to throw on that MJ, come and fly with me. Man, this ain't that drama, you wanna try and act out. I tell the pilot to land in Thailand, right on Bison's background. In the mighty jungle, when confronted, lions back down. Fredo becomes David, about to chop Goliath's ass down. The most consistent, most unstoppable, with no resistance. The Mega Mall boys load the clip, we on the road to riches. Now what you say anyway? I don't think no one listens. How you finna talk about where we at when you're in no position? Hold up, I'm about to roll up.
If you enjoyed this review, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Catch up with all our previous episodes and stay tuned for when we potentially pick up the 2024 version of the Air Tech Challenge 2. And we'll catch you on the next episode.